Prior to application, determine the proper size by measuring the circumference of the patient's waist. Pull out both dials to release the lacing. Release front hook and loop closure to open the brace belt completely. Place the back of the brace flat, with the outside of the back panel facing upward. Spread out the left and right belt arms evenly. Unfasten the two back flap hook closures at the bottom of the back panel. Open the back panel and flip over the belt arms. Pull up the two plastic hook flaps that secure the belt in place until they reach a 45-degree angle. Place one hand in the middle of the adjustment panel, under the belt, and use the other hand to pull up the belt pull strap until the appropriate size zone is reached on both left and right sides of the belt. Reapply the hook flaps to secure the belt. Press down firmly on any excess belt length. Fold the flap over and reattach the back flap hook closures at the bottom of the back panel. From a standing or seated position, place the compression brace with the back panel centered in the low back area. Place the patient in a supine position with their knees comfortably bent and hips parallel with their shoulders. Secure the front hook and loop closure of the belt. While in supine position, the patient should push in the dials on both sides of the brace and turn the knobs clockwise to tighten the laces. Turn the dials until a comfortable level of compression is achieved. Compression is adjustable and can be released or tightened using the dials to maintain a comfortable fit. To remove the brace, pull out the dials to release compression, then release the front hook and loop closure. The DeRoyal Warrior Spine Brace features lateral panels for increased stability, motion restriction, and support. Once the brace has been fitted to the patient, remove the brace and place the two lateral panels on the inside of the brace's belt using the hook attachments. Reapply the brace and ensure each panel aligns directly with the patient's frontal and lateral plane. The DeRoyal Warrior Spine Orthoses comes with two hot-cold packs that can be used with the back brace for temperature therapy. After the brace has been properly fitted to the patient, remove the brace and open the hook and loop closure for the posterior panel pocket. Insert one or both hot-cold packs and position as desired.